Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a cucumber and carrots salad, and I have a few of these red radishes just to add color to the salad, and I'm going to be using this Veggetti spiral vegetable cutter to cut the cucumber and the carrots. Let's begin. Yeah, I did a video on how to make a spaghetti, zucchini spaghetti, using this Veggetti vegetable cutter right here in the previous video. So just trim off the top and the bottom right here, and let's start with the cucumber. There's two sides to this. If you want it thick, you use this side. You want it thin, you use this side. So I want it thin. So just grab a hold of this and just twist, basically. And the cucumber come out. I mean the, see, shredded cucumber. Look beautiful. And when you get close to the end, you use this right here. It's got the teeth right here. Just push it to the cucumber and turn so you won't cut yourself. I mean, okay. A little bit here, throw it away. Do the same thing. Trim the end off. Okay, that's all it cut. Let's toss this part away. A little harder to do the carrot because it's too thin. The carrot not big enough. Alright, for the carrot I'm going to use the vegetable shredder right here because it's a little harder to use the Veggetti vegetable cutter because the carrots are a little small to fit into that. For this, I'm going to just chop it up, slice it with a knife for the radishes. Let's make the sauce for the salad. This is going to be an Asian style sauce. This is going to be a fish sauce. 1 can of coconut soda called Rico. If you don't have coconut soda, just use water, boiled water. So this is 12 ounce. This is a tablespoon right here, 2.5 of that. White vinegar. One. 2.5 of that. Right here, there's a 1/4 cup of sugar. This is 1/4. Quarter cup of fish sauce. Two cloves of garlic, chop up. Chili pepper. So you can put as many as you want. If you want a little spicy, put more. I put about 5 right here. Yeah, just mix up the sugar really good because you want to dissolve all the sugar. You don't need to use all of this fish sauce, you know. You can put in a jar and then put in the refrigerator and store it for later use. So next time you want to make another salad, just you can use the remaining. So all you need is a couple tablespoons of this, maybe 4 or 5 tablespoons of this for this salad. Let's taste it. Perfect. All right. Let's put the sauce on the salad. I'm gonna. What I did is boil 1 chicken breast, and then I just boil in the water and then shred it up. I'm gonna put it in here on the salad. And let's scoop some of this fish sauce on top of it. All right. Let's toss up the salad. All right, this is a final product. Cucumber, carrots salad with red radishes and chicken breast. So let's taste this and see if this is really good or not. It's really good. Very crunchy. I'll try a little bit of chicken breast right here, and it's really good. It's very healthy. So basically just vegetable. You boil the chicken breast and just shred it up, and right here. So it's a very healthy recipe. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.